Imagine waking up one morning to see the sky torn open, like reality itself is folding. A swirling black vortex appears in the distance, and you realize the unthinkable. Earth is slowly being pulled into a black hole. What would happen to the planet, to you, and to everything we've ever known? Buckle up, because this cosmic ride is going to blow your mind. At first, nothing would seem drastically wrong. Black holes don't suck like vacuum cleaners. Their gravitational pull is deadly, yes, but only at close distances. From far away, Earth would continue orbiting the black hole just like it does the Sun. But the closer we get, the more bizarre and terrifying things become. Tides on Earth would intensify. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions would rise as our planet gets stretched by tidal forces. These are no ordinary tides. They're created by the immense gravitational gradient, the difference in force between Earth's near and far side, and they would begin pulling Earth apart like taffy. The atmosphere would begin to heat. Not from the black hole itself, but from the release of energy due to the infall of matter. Radiation near the event horizon would skyrocket, likely stripping our atmosphere and frying the surface with X-rays and gamma rays. Satellites would fail. Communications would go dark. The planet would enter a state of chaos. And we haven't even crossed the event horizon yet, the point of no return. Once Earth crosses the event horizon of a black hole, the laws of physics as we know them begin to break down. From an outside perspective, time would appear to stop. However, from our point of view, time would continue as usual. The gravitational pull becomes so intense that not even light can escape. Depending on the size of the black hole, Earth could be subjected to crushing tidal forces. In the case of a small stellar mass black hole, a phenomenon known as spaghettification, a real scientific concept, would occur, stretching every part of Earth, including human bodies, into long, thin strands of atoms. If we are fortunate, and the black hole is a supermassive one, like Sagittarius A** at the center of our galaxy, the tidal forces near the event horizon might be weak enough for Earth to pass through relatively intact. However, this shouldn't lead to premature celebration. Inside the black hole, the core remains a mystery, a singularity of infinite density and zero volume, where the laws of physics cease to apply. If Earth were to reach this singularity, all matter would collapse into an incomprehensibly small point, resulting in no structure, no life, and no trace. Could anything survive? Perhaps not in physical form, but quantum theory suggests that information might not be destroyed within a black hole. Instead, it could become scrambled. According to the holographic principle, everything that falls into a black hole, including your voice, your memories, and even your last breath, might still be encoded on the black hole's event horizon. But what if Earth passed near a black hole instead of through it? That might actually be more survivable, but still apocalyptic. Extreme gravitational lensing would distort the sky. Stars would appear duplicated or warped. Nights would never be truly dark. Over time, Earth's orbit could destabilize, either flinging it into deep space or drawing it ever closer to doom. Now, let's stretch our imaginations further. What if humanity had time to prepare? Could we escape? Maybe in giant generation ships or with wormhole technology that only exists in theory. Some scientists think black holes could even be gateways to other universes or dimensions. If true, entering a black hole might not be the end, but a beginning to something we can't yet comprehend. In fiction, black holes often serve as cosmic portals. Movies like Interstellar imagine time dilation and multidimensional travel. While poetic, the truth is probably harsher, but just as awe-inspiring. If Earth passed through a black hole, it wouldn't just be destruction. It would be transformation on a cosmic level. We'd become part of the fabric of space-time, eternally spiraling in a silent dance with gravity itself. Black holes continue to be one of the greatest mysteries in science. We have captured images of their shadows and detected their gravitational waves, yet we still do not fully understand them. Perhaps, one day we will encounter one face-to-face. If that day ever arrives, let's hope we are prepared. If this fascinating journey through space and time has piqued your interest, be sure to subscribe to Infinite if for more cosmic what-if adventures. Like the video, share it with fellow space enthusiasts, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think would happen if Earth fell into a black hole?